Hello everyone, my name is Chova. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who haven't subscribed, please, I will really appreciate if you subscribe. And for those who have subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate your kindness. And in this video, I'm actually going to share with you two things: how my cousin and I fed the pigs in the village, and also how we did laundry. At the village there's no electricity, so my phone was going low and the battery was acting up, so I couldn't really record a lot of things, but I would just love to share what I've actually gathered with you, so that we keep the channel going and it doesn't remain dry. Thank you very much, and enjoy. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Preparing to go to the river for laundry. Just a few things. Membo kapialnya tam. Roro kama Kongo. Mati kwa dadera na dadera. Dogor ai honkolu kadio soli. Ani owe boy. Atala kurewara makongo kapya futu. Yeah. Ndi wali aroro kasi wenyeli eli tu wali. Ani owe boy. Kapisi mwa arugana na makasto. Natu yangu urugana business. Mara kaptoka ra ugoya okara gosi. Gano mbuto uyunga tukuna dena. We have arrived at the river, so Meme is just checking if the spot that we have to use to do the laundry is proper before we remove the things from the car. We, however, do not own copyrights to the music playing. This side is empty. We are literally the only ones. One wanzovu? Yeah. This is the Kavango. This is the Kavango River. So people from different regions have different spots. So this is actually our spot where we come and then we do laundry, we bath, we also that's where our cattle feeds, and the other side of the river is called Port Kwangar. I heard it's part of Namibia or it's Angola. I don't know which one is which. So people come here and do laundry. The cars park here and they do their laundry and other things. The pink building you are seeing is actually Pahukeni Guest House. It's a beautiful one. One day I'll take a tour for you guys. And we have that side there. Oh, madira ikekanara. Tan koko.